5 iconic guns that changed modern warfare. Number 5, MP5. MP5, compact 9mm submachine gun, legendary for close quarters control. Number 4, FN SCAR. FN SCAR, modular combat rifle family with quick-change barrels for versatility. Number 3, HK416. HK416, piston-driven AR-style rifle, chosen by special units for reliability. Number 2, M4. M16. M4. M16, accurate, modular U.S. infantry rifles, standard for modern forces. Number 1, AK-47. AK-47 simple, ultra-reliable assault rifle used worldwide in harsh conditions. Which one surprised you most? Comment below. Follow for more.